Al and SB. Dear friends, welcome to our channel and welcome to Kerala, the mesmerizing land of natural beauty and diverse landscapes. Today, we'll take you on a virtual tour of some of the most beautiful places in Kerala, including its enchanting forest tourism destinations. Munnar, the misty tea gardens. Our journey begins in Munnar, a breathtaking hill station nestled in the Western Ghats. The rolling hills covered in lush tea gardens create a picturesque backdrop. Walk through the misty tea estates, witness the tea-making process, and sip on a warm cup of freshly brewed tea. Munnar's beauty is simply unparalleled. Periyar National Park, Wildlife Wonderland. From the serene tea gardens of Munnar, let's venture into the wilderness of Periyar National Park. Get ready to encounter the incredible wildlife that calls this place home. Take a boat ride on the Periyar Lake, and if you're lucky, you might spot majestic elephants, elusive tigers, and a variety of bird species. It's a nature lover's paradise. Silent Valley National Park, the untouched beauty. Now, let's immerse ourselves in the untouched beauty of Silent Valley National Park. As we walk through the dense rainforest, we'll be surrounded by the symphony of chirping birds and the rustling leaves. This pristine sanctuary is home to rare and endangered species like the lion-tailed macaque. The sheer tranquility here is an experience like no other. Wayanad, the land of clouds. Moving on to Wayanad, we find ourselves amidst the enchanting landscapes of the Western Ghats. Explore the mist-covered mountains, gushing waterfalls, and spice plantations that fill the air with their aromatic scents. Trek through the forest, interact with indigenous tribes, and witness the beauty that has earned Wayanad the title of the Land of Clouds. Thattekad Bird Sanctuary, Wings of Wonder. Our next stop is Thattekad Bird Sanctuary, a haven for bird enthusiasts. As we wander through the dense foliage, we'll spot a multitude of colorful and rare bird species. From the majestic Malabar gray hornbill to the vibrant sunbirds, this sanctuary is a paradise for birdwatchers and nature photographers alike. Alappuzha Falls, nature's spectacle. Our journey wouldn't be complete without a visit to the magnificent Alappuzha Falls. Cascading down with incredible force, these majestic waterfalls create a breathtaking sight. The surrounding lush greenery adds to the beauty, making it a favorite spot for filmmakers. Let the sound of crashing water rejuvenate your soul. Alleppey, Alappuzha. Alleppey, also known as Alappuzha, the gateway to the backwaters. Cruise through the scenic Vembanad Lake, navigate through the intricate network of canals, and witness the vibrant culture and lifestyle of the locals. Alleppey's houseboat experiences and lush landscapes will leave you spellbound. Kumarakam. Moving ahead, we arrive at the tranquil paradise of Kumarakam. Explore the serene Kumarakam Bird Sanctuary, home to a diverse range of migratory and resident bird species. Marvel at the picturesque Vembanad Lake, where tranquility reigns and nature thrives. Kovalam Beach. Located near Tiruvananthapuram, Kovalam Beach is one of the most famous and well-developed beaches in Kerala. It offers a stunning coastline, golden sand, and clear blue waters. Kovalam Beach is also known for its lighthouse and water sports activities. From misty hill stations to pristine forests and captivating waterfalls, Kerala is a treasure trove of natural beauty. Whether you seek tranquility, wildlife encounters, or awe-inspiring landscapes, Kerala offers it all. So, pack your bags and get ready to immerse yourself in the scenic wonders of God's own country. Thank you for joining us on this virtual tour of beautiful places in Kerala. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more travel inspiration. Until next time, happy exploring!